All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So, an axe to grind. So here we are. There's like the grinding stone. The stone that's helping to sharpen an axe. So there's the axe. So an axe like this, you know. So an axe, for example, like that. There we are, an axe. Very nice. Yeah, an axe. Whoops, an axe. Yeah, an axe. Axe to grind. So an axe to grind. So what we mean is, there we are. So what we mean is a grievance. You're angry about something, or a dispute. Dispute. I'm right. No, I'm right. I'm right. You're wrong. No, I'm right. You're wrong. I'm right. Yeah. To settle. Settle. To settle. So a problem that needs an answer or a solution. Yeah. We have an axe to grind with him. We have an axe to grind with him. Yeah, we have something to solve. Yeah. An axe to grind. So yeah, there we are, an axe. Yeah, very good. Yeah. How cool is that? So I have an axe to grind with him. We need to sort this now. Yeah. We've had problems for years. And so there is an axe to grind. Yeah. We need to talk. I've got an axe to grind. We need to talk. I've got an axe to grind. I have an axe to grind, so I'll go there. Yeah, I will see him soon. We have an axe to grind. Yeah, problem to sort out. How cool is that? Over time, he will have an axe to grind with you. Yeah, he never forgets. He never forgets. I don't know, being tricked. He never forgets a grudge. He never forgets. He never forgets being tricked. And so now he has an axe to grind. He will not forget it. He will not forget that. He will not forget that. He's got an axe to grind. Yeah. There is a problem between you two, and he wants to find a solution. Sort it out. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So when you want to dispute, settle something, find an answer to a grudge, to a problem you had for a long time. You and I have an axe to grind. Let's talk. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. An axe to grind. So, can you use an axe to grind in a sentence? Can you write it? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah, and you can find me by searching English with Adrian. Yeah, on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.